What's up, guys? Welcome back to Evo's Edible Creation. As you know, I'm Evo. And since y'all love my steak dinner for two for under $25, I thought I'd bring y'all with another one. But this time we taking $5 off the budget. $5. We making a dinner for two for 20. Call us a new chili. How about that? So today we are gonna make pasta, which is the cheapest thing for a dinner for a big family. So you already know, we ain't going to get no fresh ingredients. We about to get this bag pasta right here, which is about $7.20-something. We got the sausages right here, already pre-chopped up. As y'all can tell right here, we got just a regular single pack. That was about $4 and some change, $4.50 to be exact. I got my asparagus, so you know asparagus is about $3. So maybe high at Highway Robbery. I'm gonna start growing my own asparagus. I got the bacon. Everybody has some bacon, if you eat bacon, laying around in your refrigerator somewhere. So this was already in the refrigerator. I'm gonna wrap my asparagus in that, y'all. Now I got the off-brand, the off-brand garlic bread. So this right here, $150. We bought it on the budget. Remember that. I got some dessert too for y'all. I'm gonna show y'all that later. But I'm gonna let y'all know when I show it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and make this meal. All right, guys, now we're back. And the first thing we're gonna start on is these asparagus. We start with this first, because it's gonna probably take the longest to cook. And it's got bacon on top of it, so we gotta make sure the bacon is all the way cooked through. So first, I'm gonna take my asparagus, slap it on the pan like this. I got my glove on, so when I touch the bacon and stuff, I don't know why I got a glove on. I can use my hands, but I'm just gonna keep the glove on, because I already got it on, y'all. Don't worry about it. So, got this. Since the bacon already produced some grease, you ain't gonna use that much olive oil. So we're just gonna hit them with that slow. Oh, that's too much, y'all. Oh, no it's not. We good. So we're gonna hit it right there. Take the asparagus. We're gonna roll it around a little bit in the olive oil. Spread out through the pan, because we ain't trying to burn nothing over here. So we paid $3 and some change, about $3.90 for this. So we're gonna rub it around. That's why I have the glove on for this. Just remember. Stay with me, people. Stay with me. So we're gonna rub it around. Y'all see this thing greased up. Go ahead and slide that right there together. This is long. It's gonna fit on the pan. We good. So we got this together. Now we don't need no gloves. So we're just gonna do this and throw that out the camera. Now we're gonna go ahead and put this pepper on here. I always have a hard time to not overpour, so let me shake it. Okay, you got pepper. A little more pepper. Put a little bit of salt, y'all, because like I said, this bacon gonna make its own grease and it's gonna be a little salty. So just three little cracks. That's all you need, 3 little cracks. And then that's when we get to started. Roll these sleeves on y'all. This is when we get to started with the bacon. So take it right here. There we go. Do this move right there. We're gonna make sure lay it belly down so it won't roll up on you, alright? Yeah, we're gonna do it one more for you. Take that right there. Hit that move right there. Make sure you get it to lay it. This one don't want to cooperate. Hold on. Don't embarrass me on this camera, bacon. Don't embarrass me. Now y'all seen that, so I'm going ahead and do the rest off camera. See y'all soon. Okay, so now we're back. I have all my asparagus wrapped up in my bacon. Let me show y'all. Yeah, it's looking good so far. So I'm about to get ready. Put this in the oven. My oven is already preheated and it's ready for me because it keeps beeping, y'all. So we're just going ahead and do that. And then we're gonna start on the next dish. Now since my asparagus in the oven right now cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and start on the main dish, which is my Blackened chicken Alfredo. First thing is my cut up sausage that y'all seen in the previous video. I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to saute them. Throw them in the pot right there. Let them cook down a little bit. I think that's what it is. Cook down, burn a little bit, whatever you want to call it. Alright, put my sausages in here. Gonna let them cook down. And I'm gonna cook them halfway through. And then when they get cooked halfway through, I'm gonna go ahead and put my Blackened Alfredo chicken in here. I'll see y'all soon. So now y'all can see my sausage go ahead and cooked a little bit through. I'm gonna get ready to go and put my main portion, my Alfredo chicken in here. Let me get correct that. Got the bag set open. Now we gotta put this up. Make it all good. Yeah, y'all see that. It's gonna be a little more for 2 people. You don't have to invite a guest or a friend over now. You see that? Yeah, let's go ahead and get that sausage mixed in. You can't have no Alfredo and you only got 3 sausages in your bowl or on your plate. Make sure it's spread out evenly. It's gonna look even over here. Let me just throw it back in now. Don't worry about it. I'm not gonna eat it. So I stirred it up a little bit. I know it's a bag pasta, so you know they ain't gonna put a lot of seasoning in it. So I'm gonna hit bow. I'm gonna put that Tony Satchels on there. Sprinkle some of that Tony in there. Sprinkle that Tony in there. I'm gonna mix that up a little bit more. That Tony. And if you feel like you need a little more flavor at the end, slap it with some more Tony on it, alright? Mix this up. I'm gonna put a lid on top of it and let that cook down. Now I'm back. My main dish is on the oven right now. As y'all can tell, cooking. Now I'm gonna start on dessert. Alright, y'all seen something on TikTok. Yeah, I got TikTok too, y'all. So they made what you want to call it, a cookie cup with ice cream in the middle. It's cheap, but it looks real elegant. So that's what I'm going for today. So we're gonna get started. I already cut my cookie dough in half. So let me go ahead and squeeze it out. And I already sprayed my pan. Let's go and squeeze this out and make my cookie cups. Trademark. No, it's not, but it should be. Let's go, y'all. All right. So I did 3 off camera just to practice because I wasn't 100% sure how messy it was gonna get. It did get a lot of messy, but I'm going to show y'all one. So like you say, you're gonna take some, you're gonna press it at the bottom so you can make a base. Get a little strong base, people. So this is my base right here. I believe in that base. I have a strong foundation. Then you're gonna have to start going on the sides to make the little cup hole, or the cup. Yeah. Excuse these hands, y'all. I was a hand model back in like 2015, y'all. So y'all see me on a couple commercials or something. You know, don't thumb up for the hand models in the world. And we're almost finished. Yeah, put that in there a little bit more. If you feel like you want a little thicker, like this one, you can use a little more cookie dough, which I got some, but I'm okay with this because it's gonna rise up. There y'all go right there. It's 4, 2 for each person. Since it's oh yeah, my asparagus is ready to be taken out. I did put the oven on broad to get that bacon brown, so it'll cook a little too slow for me, but I'm about to take these out. Okay, we at the final stretch of the meal for 2, under $25. So this our dessert, remember, right here, we already have our oven already preheated to 325. So we're about to get ready to put that in. We're gonna let our cookies, our cup cookies, bake or cook halfway through. And then we're gonna add the bread at the end so the whole meal can be together. So let me go and put the cookies in, y'all. All right, folks, there y'all have it right there. You know, the dinner for 2 under $20, or maybe we went over a little bit, maybe about 21 something dollars. But you got your pasta right here with your chopped up sausages. You got your bacon wrapped asparagus that looking so delicious. You got your off-brand garlic bread. Can't even tell it's not Texas toast. And then for dessert, come on, we got the cookie dough with the pint ice cream, the pint vanilla ice cream, man. So we gotta go to cheap road, come get the good stuff, but we got the cheap stuff. But there y'all have it. Now I'm about to eat my part. If y'all want some, come get the other plate.